Alright, in this module I'll introduce the Pandas option system, which can be used to customize behavior such as the display options that we see in our Jupyter Notebook. So Pandas actually includes two ways to change settings, one with dot syntax and one with specific methods, and we'll go through both of these as we proceed through the lessons. Let's begin by creating a new Jupyter Notebook. So I'm going to click my New button as always and select my Conda root environment. And I'm going to call this notebook Options and Settings. Let's create some cells below. And of course, we're going to begin with the Pandas import. So let's write that in there. And we're going to be utilizing another library here, and we're simply going to be using it to generate fake data sets. And this is actually the library on top of which Pandas is built. It's called NumPy. So let's write our import keyword followed by NumPy, and then the most common alias assigned to this library is NP. So I'm going to write the as keyword and just do NP and execute, and that's all we're going to need for these lessons. There are no custom CSVs in this module because the focus really isn't on the internal data and any kind of manipulation so much as it is the Pandas settings that affect things like presentation and display. So this module is not going to be as intensive or as heavy as the previous ones. We're just going to very quickly breeze through some of these ideas, and I'll just show you when they can be particularly helpful. So I hope you're excited to begin a brand new module. This one is a little bit more outside of the box, and in the next lesson I'll show you the first way that we can change our Pandas options, and that's utilizing dot syntax and attributes. So I'll see you there.